Today we are going to learn about finding square roots of perfect square number using Vedic mathematics. Okay? So now you might think, why do we have this session? So I'll tell you, it will help you in your competitive exams because all the competitive exams have a bit of quant section. It will help you in your CTP exams, and then again it will help you to teach your students in some proxy lectures you have in your school. Okay, so before diving into the technique, the basic requirement of this technique is we should know the square of a number from 1 to 9. Okay, I hope we all know this, right? It is basic. So I'll just quickly write it here for our reference, and you have to, you can give chorus answers here, and you have to write me. So 1 square is equal to 1. 2 square,
4,
3 square,
9,
4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square. Okay. No, the basic need is from 1 to 9. Okay. Okay, very good. So, I'll explain the process of this finding Vedic square root of silence, guys. So we'll start the process of finding square root of perfect square using Vedic mathematics. It is a 4-step process. Okay, I'll explain you with an example. Okay. So let's take first example as 729. Okay. It is a perfect square number, but I don't know what is the square root of this. Okay, we'll find this. So our first step will be to group this number. Okay, we'll start grouping this number from our right hand side to the left hand side. Okay, so this is my right hand side. I will group this number and I will make pair. But here I have only one number, that's okay, it's absolutely fine. Now the second step will be to see the unit digit. Our unit digit here is 9. Now we have to see that which square have unit digit as 9. 3. So we have 3 and what else? And 7. We have 9 as a unit digit in these squares. Okay. So we can say that the square root of 729 will end with either 3 or 7. Okay. Now the next step will be to see the second row. In the second row we have 7. Okay. Till now get it? Okay. So in the second row we have this 7. Now we have to see 7 lies between the square of which two numbers? Okay. So tell me.
2 and 3.
Yes, 2 and 3, 4 and 9. 7 lies somewhere here. Okay. So always we have to take smaller number. Okay. So we will take 2 here. That means our square root will always start with 2. Till now clear? Okay. So now the final step. We have to find. We know that it will be between these two, but which one it will be, we have to find that. For that, the last step, that is 4th step, will be we have to multiply this 2 with its consecutive next number. So what is the consecutive next number? Next consecutive number of 2? 3. Yes. So we have to multiply 2 into 3 and our resultant will be 6. Now we have to compare our resultant with the group number 2. So which one is bigger? 7. So we have this one bigger number. Okay. That means our square root will be the bigger number. Yeah, I'll explain it with another example. We'll do 2 or 3 examples. So this is the answer. Okay. Now I'll take another example. Okay. So that you can get a bit more clear idea about this. So let's say you want to give me any example of perfect square number. 625 is so simple. Okay. Let's take another one. Give me. 1, 2, 2. That is okay. It's okay. So 1, 2, 2, 5. Right. Okay. Then tell me 1024. Okay. Let's take 1024 and we have to find square root of this number. So our first step was grouping. Yes? Right. Good. So we have grouped our number. Now the second step is
Nearest
we
unit.
have to see the unit place of this number. What is it? 4. Now what we have to check here?
2 and 8 unit.
Very nice. 4 comes between
2 and 8.
2 and 4. Very nice. That means we have our square root will ends with 2 or 8. Okay. Now what is the third step? We have to check our group number 2 and we have to see it will come between which square numbers.
3 and
So
4.
10 will come between
3 and 4.
3 and 4. 3 and 4. That we have to take always smaller number, right? So that means our square root will always start with 3. So either it will be 32 or 38. So now we have to finalize that which one is the square root of 1024. So what we have to do?
Multiply.
We have to multiply this 3 with its next consecutive number. What is it? 4. So what we got? 12. Now we have to compare this number with our group number 2. So our group is smaller.
Yes.
Yes. So our square root will be
32.
Okay. Now give me another example of a perfect square. I will solve it, and you will guide me how to solve that. Yes. Tell me. 2209. 2209.
Madhuri, I have a question.
Yes.
So all the numbers that end with the numbers that are over there, they are perfect squares.
No. See, the logic is all the perfect square numbers will end with either 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, these numbers, okay, or 0. It might end with 0. But that doesn't mean all the numbers which are ending with these numbers are perfect squares. Okay? Understood? Or I'll repeat. Good. Okay, so yes, what was the example?
220.
Raise your hand, please. No chorus answers. 2500. 2500. No chorus answer. Stand up and say 2209, right? Okay. Let's take 2209. We have to find the square root of this number. So what was our first step? Grouping. No chorus answers. Please raise your hands. Okay. So first step we have done. Second step, raise your hands. Raise your hand and stand up, please.
3 and 7.
Yes, we have to see this unit digit and 3 and 7 you said, right?
Yes.
3 and 7, right? That means our square root will end with either 3 or 7. Okay? Now what is the third step? We have already done.
Second.
Second row. Yes, we have to complete second row. So what will be the answer here? 22 comes between.
6, 4 and 5.
Very nice. So, okay. Now we have to check between these two. What is the square root of 2209? What is it? Okay. So we have to multiply this 4 with its next number, that is
5.
That will be
20.
Okay. 20 is smaller than this. We have 47 as our square root. Yes. Okay, no. Examples of perfect square. That means I only have 35 numbers and you are giving me that examples. Firstly, I will teach them what is perfect square. I was hoping you will know. Yes. See, if you apply this to a non-perfect square, you will listen to me. Sorry, listen to me. If you apply this trick in a non-perfect square number, it will give you the nearest square number. Okay? It will give you the idea that what it will be. The square root of that. Whether it will come in points, that doesn't matter. It will get you to a whole number. Okay? Any more doubts?
What you will today you take one session. Again tomorrow you will do the session with more examples.
Okay, sir.
It is finished now.
Okay, you want any other example or you understood? Okay? So, thank you.
Now again you will take more examples. Today you will do what?
So, square root using variation.
Square root. So how many digits? 2 digits.
4 digits.
You have the first 2 digits.
Yeah. I have started with 3-digit number, then I have gone to 4 digit.
What about 2 digits?
You want me to give you 2 digit? Between 1 to 10 it will over. 2 digit का square. With 11 you will start with 121. Right?
वो बंद किया गया। ये बंद करो। फोटो लेना उसको। ले लो ना फोटो। उसको रिपोर्ट करना।
माधुरी 2 मिनट
आधुनिक